So here and welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can change the username on Twitter of your Twitter account. It would be very difficult for a normal user to find the settings of changing the username on Twitter. So in this video we're gonna discuss it in very easy method. So for example, in this video I'm gonna showing you how you can change the username via Twitter web mode. You can do the same in your Twitter PC, or you can do the same process in your Twitter mobile application as well. So for an example, I open the Twitter web on my Chrome browser and you have to log in your ID on Twitter. Once you go to your ID and you open your ID on your Twitter web, all you have to do is to just click on your profile option at the top left corner. You can see it's just right there. Just click on this and here you will see an option of settings and support at the most below of the list. When you click there and you'll find another option of settings and privacy. Just click on this option and now you have entered in your settings. Now you have to go to the option of your account. When you go there you will see an option of account information. Just simply click on this option. Then it may ask for the password for confirmation. Just simply enter the password and continue the process. Once you enter your Twitter password, just hit confirm over there, and here you will see all the information of your account. Now in order to change the username, all you have to do is to just click on the first option. You can see the username option. When you click there, a username window will open right in front of you, from where you can change the username as per your convenience. Just all you have to be is to be make sure that the username will be available for you, because many of the username will be already taken. You cannot set the taken username, and you may have some suggestions over there over below also. So I hope this video will be helpful and interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.